Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Plantronics Bluetooth headset. First, ensure your headset is fully charged for the best experience. Next, power on your headset and put it into pairing mode. You will typically see alternating red and blue lights. Then, activate Bluetooth on your phone or computer and search for new devices. Once your headset appears, select it. If prompted for a passkey, simply enter 4 zeros. You should then hear a pairing successful confirmation. Once paired, using your headset is straightforward. To answer or end a call, simply press the main call control button once. You can easily adjust your listening volume using the up and down volume controls located on the headset. If you need to speak privately, press the mute button to silence your microphone. For quick convenience, many models allow you to double-tap the call button to redial the last number you called from your connected smartphone. Keeping your Plantronics headset powered is simple. To charge, place it securely in its charging base or connect the provided charging cable. A light, usually amber or red, will flash while charging and become solid when fully charged. Most headsets provide between 6 and 8 hours of talk time on a single full charge. For extended use, some Plantronics models come with a portable charging case, offering an impressive additional 14 hours of talk time on the go. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is often easy. For minor glitches, try a soft reset by simply powering your headset off and then back on. If pairing problems occur, remove the headset from your device's Bluetooth list and then repair it. Always ensure your headset remains within 33 feet of your connected device for the best connection. For persistent issues, consider checking for any available firmware updates using the Plantronics Hub software on your computer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.